Hi everybody, this is Sean here from PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school, and I'm recording this video because it is the most common question that I'm getting asked at the moment, and that is, who can take driving lessons during lockdown level 5? And we'll also answer the question, when will EDT lessons return? Well, maybe not answer, try to answer that question. So let's kick off with who can take driving lessons in level 5, because I think a lot of people are a little confused about this. So hopefully we will clarify it for you. So the answer is essential workers with a test date. They are the only people who can take driving lessons during level 5. If you're unsure as to whether you're an essential worker or not, you can check gov.ie and they give you all the details of what an essential worker is classed as. So check that out for yourselves. But essential workers with test date are the only people who can take lessons. If you do not have a test date, if you are an essential worker, can you take lessons? No is the answer. You must have a date from the RSA. The next question is, can essential workers take EDT lessons during level 5? I've had a lot of calls about this. People who are essential workers, no doubt, but they might have, in some cases, only one EDT lesson to complete before they apply for their test. Can you take that final EDT lesson? The answer is, unfortunately, no, you can't. The EDT lessons are completely finished in level 5. The RSA have even closed the EDT upload portal, so instructors can't even upload lessons during level 5. In level 4, we were allowed to do EDT lessons, but in level 5, no. So despite the fact that you're an essential worker, you still cannot finish your EDT. And I think this is the place where people have the most confusion. They are essential workers and they may have just 1 or 2 lessons to do, which is very frustrating, I know, but you cannot do driving lessons unless you have your EDT complete, all 12 lessons uploaded and complete, and you have a driving test date. So hopefully that has clarified that. The next question then I'm getting is, when will EDT lessons resume? When will they start back? That's a very difficult question to answer. I'd want a crystal ball, to be honest. What I do know though is it will be probably April the 5th at the earliest, and I think that is being optimistic. I think it will probably go beyond that if I was to guess. But you are looking at EDT, if you want to learn to drive, EDT lessons, April 5th at the earliest, and it could be May or June before we get back doing EDT lessons, depending, of course, on how numbers go. Again, you would need a crystal ball. But at the moment, can you start your driving lessons if you're a learner driver? The answer is no. There are no EDT lessons allowed under level 5. So please like, subscribe and share this information if you found it beneficial or if you know somebody who might benefit from this information. Thanks to everybody, by the way, who shared, liked and watched last week's video with Dane Ty. It was our most popular video yet, and we will be getting Dane back to have a chat with him again, hopefully in the next couple of weeks. Log on to the website PassFirstTime.ie if you do have a test date. Our online course will help you to get over the line, and we have a very special half price offer there during COVID at the moment. So check that out, PassFirstTime.ie. That's it for now. I'll talk to you in the next video.